Hey everyone, Gil here at graymanprepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about farmers markets. Before I jump into that, I want to ask you to please hit the thumbs up button, and that'll help the channel matrix. And if you're not subscribers, go ahead and hit that subscribe button down. Shoot, I forget which side it's on. Well, this little button says subscribe. Click on it and then click on it again, and you see when it says notifications all, and click all. All that means is that whenever I post a video on your little notifications thing, you'll get a graymanprepping has uploaded a video, and that way you can check it out. You can look to see what type of video it is. Doesn't mean you have to watch it. It means you just check it out. Okay, yeah, I'm interested in that, and then you can watch it. Alrighty, farmers markets. Farmers markets is our good place to get some good, healthy food that is, quote, homegrown if you don't have the ability to grow the food yourself, or you just haven't gotten to that point yet where you're developing a garden and you're able to produce your own food. And sometimes the farmers markets will produce foods that normally you wouldn't grow, but it's food you like anyways. So farmers markets are a good place to go. Check out the different things they have there. Now, they're not always having stuff that is fresh grown produce. There's a couple of them that will have booths that have beef, or pork. They'll sell you, parts of a live animal. They'll have some stuff there, and they also take orders for, you want to get it. I want to get it, half a cow, or I want to get a half a pig or a whole pig or whatever. You can order that from them, and they'll make the arrangements for you to come pick it up, or they'll make arrangements to deliver it to you. Also, I've seen a couple real cool booths at different farmers markets where they do stuff with olive oils and other oils and stuff and make blends with different herbs and flavorings in it, like garlic flavored olive oil, or some hot sauces and stuff like that. So those things are really good, and none of those things have high fructose corn syrup in them. Everything's natural in them. So think about going and checking out the farmers markets in your area and get to know the farmers there, because during the, quote, off season, when the farmers markets aren't running anymore, the farmers will still have produce and stuff to sell to those that have made contact with them, and you can buy stuff in during the wintertime as well. All right, so before I take off, you can put a link to my other channel, Camp Pat and Family Compound, which is my gardening and homesteading channel. Put that link right up here. Then I'm going to put a link to Prepping for Beginners and Prepping in Private, so you can share those with your friends so they won't come after your supplies. Why? This is why.